Here's Kevin at his new job. We're on the way to Horse Canyon out here in Utah, and he's his first day on the job. Over here we've got some kind of this is coal country, and there's a plant somewhere around here where they would do the coking process, which is part of what goes into making steel, as I understand it. And needless to say, it's a day off for everyone, nothing going on. So Kevin's first day on the job is a little on the quiet side. He's just getting familiar with the territory. Beautiful day in Utah. We're on our way to Arches Canyon, Arches National Park. It's about an hour and a half from here, so this was just a pit stop to check in on Kevin. And that's the scene in Utah.